Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Today we are here with the best topic of 10 best long lasting perfumes for men with buying guides and reviews. Long lasting perfume for men offer many advantages from long term fragrance to increase confidence and value for money. Searching for an effective, long lasting perfume can dramatically impact first impression and lasting memories throughout the day. Here is a selection of top 10 best rated long lasting perfumes for men, offering distinct scent to elevate their presence and style and keep them fresh throughout their daily activities. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1. Sepal Perfume, born for men, long lasting anti-sighing scent for everyday for Dubai Oriental spicy scent. Features sepal bound last all day without frequent reapplication. It offers a variety of masculine and appealing fragrance. The packing is sleek and modern, perfect for gifting. User report receiving compliments on the pleasant scent regularly. Number 2, Antonio Banderas perfume, the gold secret ED toilet spray for men, long lasting. Features accommodate multiple olfactory preferences, suitable for various occasions, offer a unique and appealing scent that lasts long. Packing is stylish luxury at an attainable price point. Number 3, Banderas, the icon ED toilet for men, long-lasting, virile, elegant, trendy, and sexy scent. Features offer long-lasting fragrance for men. It features a compatibility and masculine scent profile, confident and alluring aroma, reasonable price luxury. Number 4, Guy La Roche for men, long-lasting eau perfume, cologne for men, preferred man fragrance of vanilla. Features bold and memorable scent. Perfume concentrations make a difference. Long-lasting Guy La Roche fragrance, expertly blended base notes. Number 5, Antonio Banderas perfume, secret temptations ED toilet for men, long-lasting masculine. Features offering warmth and intrigue. Fragrance lasts throughout the day. The bottle is sleek and visually appealing. It offers good value for its price point. Number 6, Nova Glow Azure Vantage Intense for Men, 100 ml ED perfume spray for men, long lasting, sweet features, bold and unforgettable scent profile, confident and daring image, affordable luxury. The elegant bottle design, long lasting intensity. Number 7, Swiss Arabian Shagaf Oud luxury product from Dubai, long lasting and addictive personal EDP spray fragrance. Features powerful odor presence, warmth and sweet counterparts, alluring sledge and projection. It features a unique blend of oud and sweet notes. Number 8, Nova Glow Sportman, the Ono 4 Men, 3.4 ounce FL ounce UD perfume spray, long lasting, warm, spicy, and woody scent. Features long lasting aroma, magnetic and intense. The perfume comes in a stylish, attractive bottle design. Users report feeling confident and refreshed after application. Number 9, Nautica Voyage EUD toilet for men. Features longevity on skin and cloth, suitable for various occasions. Offer elegant value for money on at its affordable price. Bottle design is sleek and modern, enhancing visual appeal. Number 10, Liberty Oud perfume for men, 3.4 also for it premium oud perfumes anniversary edition, long lasting UD perfume. Features moderately affordable price point, A long-lasting scent keep you smelling fresh all day, perfect for special occasions, luxurious and any enigmatic scent. Now we are going to share some customers' feedbacks and reviews. You can see screenshots on the screen which are helpful for you to choose a good one according to your need and requirements. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.bestpurchasepro.com/long-lasting perfume for men slash. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thanks for watching.